Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking back on another video, and hello to all my new subscribers, welcome. So don't forget to click the notification bell on your way out as well, because when I upload I won't appear in your sub box and it's really annoying. But thanks for coming back on, and without further ado, let's get on with the video. You're probably wondering why I look a little bit weird. It's because I have no highlight or bronzer or any kind of shape to my face going on right now, and that is because I picked up the new Anastasia highlighter and bronzer. So you've got the new Amrezy Anastasia limited edition highlighter that's just come out. I haven't even took it out of the box. Like, that's how thorough I'm being right now of a first impression. You're welcome. And the powder bronzer as well. So I only got one bronzer because I didn't want to kind of pick two and then like one more than the other and waste £30. So there's that. If you're wondering what's on the rest of my face at the moment, I'll leave it down in the description box below. I have got a review coming on the foundation that I'm wearing at the moment, and this is the foundation with nothing on it except powder and concealer, and I'm loving it. So stay tuned for that video. But for now, I need some colour in my damn face. So first of all, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer. This is the packaging that it comes in. So it just says, powder bronzer for face and body, creates a natural matte traceless finish for buildable coverage. So I don't really look for coverage when I'm having my, when I'm using a bronzer. I just want to make sure that my face doesn't look like an egg. So this is what it looks like. You can see the little holographic finish. That's so cute. I love that. And I got the shade Saddle, so that's this one just here. So the shade Saddle, I don't know, I found it really hard to match myself to a bronzer online because they all looked really similar. For one, there's only 6 shades thus far, so when I was reading a few like kind of comments online, a lot of people were saying that it was really like red, and I don't like a red bronzer. I do like them quite warm and quite orange. If you're kind of confused about what bronzer to buy from Anastasia, go onto their YouTube channel and it kind of shows you the different shades or different skin tones and things like that. I believe the darkest shade is Mahogany, which I don't think is dark enough personally. So this is what Saddle looks like. It kind of looks really light now. I'm looking at it, like I'm looking at my face and I'm thinking, great. But a lot of the time bronzers tend to look quite different on the skin than they do in the pan. For example, my Hoola bronzer looks a lot lighter in the pan, and then on me it actually creates a nice contour. I'm going to be using my blush brush. I always use this to bronze with. It just kind of reaches a wider surface area. I'm going to be going with Saddle. Okay, I've just tapped it a few times and there's quite a bit of fallout, so I'm guessing it's going to be really pigmented. Oh. And I'm not going to be contouring because I just want to see what this looks like by itself. And I have powdered my skin. Okay, that's quite nice. Looks quite natural, you can see, compared to the other side. Okay, let's just go in with a little bit more because I do tend to go a little bit happy with my bronzer anyway. I was kind of worried it wouldn't show up on my skin. So that's it from front on. That looks really nice. From sideways, that looks really nice as well actually. So I'll just do the rest. It's not as warm as I thought it was going to be. But I did try and opt for the less warmer one out of the bunch because I just didn't want to look red. I like that. It's nothing crazy, but again, I got like a kind of medium shade. I didn't go for a really dark shade. There's a lot of fallout though. I think it looks quite nice and natural. Do you feel? Now for the star of the show. You've got the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. So you've got really nice packaging here. It's literally so pretty. And it's like rose gold on the back as well. It says, I live for the perfect glow. It's constant focus in my makeup routine. I'm always looking for the most luminous glow with a natural second finish. This collaboration with Anastasia brings my highlighter dreams to life, and I'm so happy to share this sun in a compact with my Reezy Riders from Amrezy. So that's what she's got on the back of it. It's literally the most prettiest thing ever. Look at that. That's giving me Huda Beauty vibes actually. That's giving me like desert, like Egypt, sands vibes, and I'm loving it. It is a pale gold, and I've seen a lot of concerns on YouTube, people thinking that it's not dark enough for them. It's not like for everyone if you've got a deeper complexion or a really, really pale complexion. For like foundation references, I'm about a MAC NC 44 to 45, depending on what time of the year it is. And I've just got matched to the new NARS foundation as well, and I am a shade Tahoe in that one. So if you need any skin references, there you go. So I'm just going to be using my Morphe M501 brush. Are you ready? Ooh. Okay, that's like a small bit, and I'm already living for it. Oh my god. Now bear in mind I have texture on my skin, but I do not care. I will still wear highlight. Oh my god. That is sickening. And it's like, normally I have to build my highlighters up to do that. Does anyone else have to do that? I have to do that. Oh my god. Oh. That is so silky. It's a joke. Some highlighters on my skin tone can look really kind of patchy, and I have to kind of blend them in circular motions to make it look like it's melting into my skin. Just like the extra efforts just to look highlighted, do you know what I mean? This is literally blended in at the same time, and I'm obsessed. I'm literally putting the tiniest bit on, but it's mad reflective. Overall, I am literally in love with the Amrezy highlighter. I think it looks beautiful. If you have got a darker skin tone than me, then I don't know. I think if you want to give it a go, just give it a go. If not, sell it online. I also do like the bronzer. I think it looks quite natural. Yeah, this is the finished look. I haven't even got setting spray on, guys. I've just put some setting spray on and it's literally just made it go absolutely mental. They are £29 each in the UK. I don't know how much it is in US dollars, but I'll link everything down below from where I purchased it, and I'll see you in my next video.